Guys, welcome back to my channel. Soft, rich, and soaked in deep caramel flavor. This sticky toffee pudding is pure comfort in every bite. We start with 480 grams of water and 15 grams of black tea. Heat gently, then pour over the date to soften. Next, 176 grams of butter and 272 grams of sugar. Cream until light and fluffy. We add 5 whole eggs gradually, creating a smooth and richer batter. Next, 400 grams of flour and continue mixing until fully combined. Now, into our soaked date, we add 16 grams of baking soda, 9 grams of vanilla powder, and 20 grams of hot espresso. We mash until thick and creamy. Add the date mixture into the butter and egg batter, then fold everything together beautifully. Pour into a baking pan and bake at 170 degrees Celsius for 45 to 60 minutes. Once baked, let it cool slightly before slicing. Here we are shaping it with round ring, but any shape works perfectly. Depends on your choice. Once baked, it can be frozen for months or chilled for days. The toffee sauce drops in the next video. If you like the video, don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Till we meet in the next one. Peace out.